Welcome to Country Life Natural Foods. Today, Bessy and I are going to show you what happens when you place an order. So we have 3 warehouses here, and right now I'm in warehouse A, and this one is the coldest. Thanks, Bessy. All of our products are shelf stable, but we keep them refrigerated before we send them out to you. So when you place an order, a member of our warehouse team takes a picking ticket and they go through all the warehouses from A to C to make sure they collect everything you ordered. So one of our newest products is an instant vegan cheese mix, and as you can imagine, Bessy is thrilled. Once we pull all of the items, we get them prepared to ship to you. If it's a large order, we wrap them up and place them on large pallets. If it's a smaller order, we package them up here in smaller boxes, but they both go straight to your home. So thanks for stopping by Country Life Natural Foods. Now, when you place an order of $99 or more, big or small, we ship it straight to your house.